How y'all doing? I hope y'all doing amazing today. Since I cut my locks off, y'all, I've had like 57 hairstyles. Read, insert pictures of the different hairstyles you've had since you've had your locks cut off for a few months now. It's time for another one. So I've had this hairstyle, this quick weave, for a week and a week and 5 days, almost 2 weeks. A week and 5 days. I'm about to take it down because when I did the quick weave, I did a temporary color over this front part of my hair and it started to turn back green. So we're gonna do a permanent color over my whole head, and it's, I guess, green or blonde. I don't really know what to say, which one it really is. And you can't really see it now. Yeah, you can't really see. Oh, you can see it a little bit right there, but it's like around here. And I put brown edge control on it, so that's what's happening. So what I'm about to do is a maintenance hair video. I think I'm going to do another quick weave, but that will not be until a few days, like this weekend or something. If I do one, this one it'll be. It won't be today. So today, what we're about to do is take the quick weave off. I saw people just pulling the tracks off. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to, I also seen somebody say use cheap conditioner and get it wet, or I seen people use glue remover. And what I'm going to do is put some conditioner back here, because I saw a lot of people, they had like the U part quick weaves. This is a flip over, so I have like nothing is out of my hair except the perimeter. So I want to remove my quick weave. Let me see if I can show y'all. Don't judge my kitchen. Don't judge me. I mean, I can't tell y'all what to do, but like, did you come here to judge me? Because if you did, at least like and share the video. Hopefully y'all can see that. So I had left like this much of my hair out, but the quick weave starting to like lift up a little bit because I'm itching and all kind of stuff. So I'm gonna put conditioner and stuff like and water right back here, and then I'm hoping it just pulls on off like that. Let's just get started, right? Yeah. Okay, let me tell y'all my thought process on this. So I was doing it this slow and, you know, spray the water, do the conditioner thing, because I was like, oh, maybe I can save the tracks. Girl, be for real. Them $30 little tracks gone, baby. Let it go. And we're gonna put this in the sink. And also, it would have been smarter if I cut it and then put my head in the sink. So we're gonna do that too. Yes, I have hair scissors. Oh my. Excuse me, y'all. Excuse me. Yes, I have hair scissors, but had better ones. I don't know where they at. And I saw some at the Dollar Tree. I was like, oh, how nifty. Hair scissors at the Dollar Tree. Baby, okay, I love the $1.25, but not everything is the move from the $1.25. Do what you will with that information. We're going to cut these tracks, and then we're going to put this in the sink, because that's going to be way easier. Just wet it a little more. And then cutting the hair also is a great idea, because you don't have to go through the hair to get the water to the cap in order to, it's pretty much peeled up in the back, so that's cool. I'm gonna just wash the scissors, y'all. Don't be too concerned. All right. All right. I was going to go straight into dyeing my hair, but we're gonna let the towel dry a little bit. Here's the quick weave. That glue is the truth, y'all. The hair is basically still on this wig cap. That's why I was like, I probably could save it and wear it, but now I had to cut it and wet it and do all these things. But the girls who do the U parts, or the middle parts, side parts, those look like you might be able to take those off better. And then also next time I do it, I shouldn't have to dye my hair, so you know it won't really be a thing for me to put a lot of water on it and take it off. And also next time I plan on doing, I told my sister middle part, then I started thinking, should I do a side part? And then I think it just depends on like what kind of hair I end up using. So we real dark, and we're about to rinse this out because I've been talking to my sister and stuff, and it's been way longer than it's almost been closer to an hour, and I was supposed to do 20 minutes. Okay, good news, people. We still got hair. We still got hair, and it's black. So now we are on the Go Intense Extra Care Conditioner. I got a little mirror right here. Nifty. I didn't even know I would be using this for this when I put these here. Okay, so we are gonna let this conditioner sit 3 to 5 minutes. Clearly, I'm not paying attention to the times today. Is my hair going to give the curl back? I mean, we'll see. If not, that'll be just what it is. Now, my goal now, you know, since my disaster with the reaction to the bleach or whatever, I'm still traumatized. And obviously, since I'm dyeing my hair black, I'm not doing any more blonde, at least for a while. You never know with me, right? If my curls are gonna come back, we'll see. I mean, hopefully, but I'm not stressed about it because y'all know I will cut my hair in a minute if it get that serious. But this time, my goal is to have more patience with my hair and go for a healthy hair journey. A more of a healthy hair journey. So we'll see. We'll see what the curls are talking about. We got this conditioner in. The curls did come back when I had the see, it's a little See, this look like it's gonna be a real cute. It's looking a little curly. It look like it's gonna be a real cute slick down, little slick down look, which is fine. It's fine. Honestly, when my hair is this short, I really only be liking it slick down. So that works out, but we'll see. I'm gonna do this conditioner, and then I'm gonna do one thing of this moisturizing shampoo by Monday. It's for dry and damaged hair. After I do that, I'm gonna do this keratin 2-minute reconstructor. Then we're gonna follow up with this biotin and collagen hair mask. And then we're gonna style. It's gonna be it after that, okay? So that's what's going on there, baby. We're dark and sleek. We'll see if the curls come back. It may just take some time, but we'll see. We're shooting for a more healthy hair journey now. Shoot, I about talked to y'all 3 to 5 minutes. Try time to rinse it out. Different conditioners and stuff that I said I was gonna do, but we're gonna so far I did the one that came in the color box, and I did the 2-minute reconstructor, and I'm about to call my mom and ask her, is it too much if I do the biotin and collagen one? Mom. Okay, I got a question. So I put the permanent color on my hair. Then I did the conditioner that came in the box. Then I shampooed, and then I did the 2-minute keratin reconstructor. Is it too much if I also do the biotin and collagen deep conditioner? So don't do that one. So when can I do that one? Well, who knows? But what if that's this week? Right, but I don't think I've done any. What's in the keratin 2-minute reconstructor? I don't think that's protein. And I don't think it's protein in this biotin and collagen one. I don't think it's protein in it just because it said for extreme damage. It said use the 2-step protein one. Yeah, this has got like biotin, collagen. That one I just used wasn't a liquid like that. It was the 2-minute reconstructor is yeah, like a conditioner, yeah. So just hold off on this one. How did it make my hair feel? Soft? Baby, it ain't hardly enough to glide through. My hair look like, baby, I look like an older black lady from back in the day who got a pizza cut and just got a fresh perm. Baby, that's what I look like. Just pull my head up out the sink and I'm about to go get my, they about to go get them little curlers and style my pixie. That's what I look like. It's soft though. It's soft. Baby, I'm finna slick this down and go to, I was about to say go to the gym. Well, my gym. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna skip that conditioner to be safe. It's soft. Yeah, right, which I don't wanna do. It was rough, it was kind of rough before I had put it on there, so I think it did what it was supposed to do. I'm gonna slick this down. Go work out. It'll probably slick real good. Just a little foam. Probably don't even need no gel. But yeah, I'm not concerned. Plus, my hair is not that long. If my hair was long and the curls left, ooh, it'll look strange. This, baby, this don't do nothing but make it easier to slick down. I'm not worried. Okay, y'all heard that. She said don't do it. So we're gonna slick our hair and then we're gonna go to the gym, baby. Let me get something to tie it down. Right now I'm off the phone with it, but that's okay because we're solution based. My camera card was full. I tried to switch it to my other card and it said I need to reinsert it or format it. Try reinserting, and I didn't want to format just in case I got stuff on there that I need. So we off the phone with it. Okay, so before my camera died, you saw me styling my hair. The first thing I sprayed on my hair was water. And I think it might have had a little leave-in conditioner in there. Then I went in with some leave-in conditioner. And then I went in with some foam. So that's what this is. I love the color, y'all. Oh my gosh, I love the color. Like, I feel like I said this in another one of my videos. I'm not sure if I did or not. But it's like, for me, only two colors do it for me. Jet black or blonde. What else is there? I don't know another color. I don't know other colors. Those are the only colors that I like. Okay. So I'm just gonna tie this down. I wish I had some of those, some of that black paper. I don't know what those papers are called, but I wish I had that. But I don't. That's okay. I'm gonna tie this down and leave it for about 30 minutes. Okay, y'all. I will say, I took my scarf off and the hair, y'all, one thing about me, your girl is not a fan of flyaways. I just like my hair slick and pristine, okay? I'm not a fan of flyaways, so it's like trying to lay my hair down with mousse don't be working all the time. But, so I added some gel, and the gel also adds shine to it, along with my hair being black. So this is where we are. She's a bald baddie. Let me put my sunglasses on so y'all can see the look, right? Even though my sunglasses broke, I need to get some more. Wait. She cute. I'm gonna switch those to the front.